Hello, Clay County. John Ward, Director of Emergency Management here in Clay County. Wanted to take this time to talk to you about the updated information for hurricane season. Please remember, hurricane season runs from 1 June to 30 November. Now is the time to prepare. Develop that family disaster plan and the family disaster kit. We saw the updated forecast from NOAA recently on what could be a potential record year of storms. The prediction now is 25 named storms, 11 hurricanes, 6 of those being major hurricanes. What I do want to say is it only takes one regardless of the numbers. So please prepare. We will have shelters. Please remember these shelters are a shelter of last resort and they are a congregate setting. We're doing many actions to prevent the spread of COVID within these shelters, but I do just want to put out there that when you get into a congregate setting, your chance of contracting COVID does go up. If for some reason we have to do an evacuation, please remember, evacuate tens of miles. We don't need to evacuate hundreds of miles. Now's the time to take that time to speak with family, friends, something along those lines that you could just relocate to get outside of the impacted area. Again, develop that plan now. With the recent rainfall, we've been monitoring the creeks. We've not had any issues with our Black Creek systems to date. But I do want to say, as we develop or over the next week or two, please monitor this closely because we're expected to get a lot of rainfall, and this is not even including a tropical system rainfall. You can go to alert.claycountygov.com, and there's a Black Creek info tab in there where you can monitor the level of each, both north and south prong. And then also all our preparedness information is at alert.claycountygov.com also. That'll help you develop those family disaster kits and family disaster plans. Clay County, stay safe and prepare now. Thank you.